In the modern world, daily electricity needs keep rising. In order to preserve the environment and raw materials, it is essential to develop renewable energy sources. In mountainous regions, electricity can be produced without any pollution or waste thanks to micro hydroelectric plants. Saint-Gobain PAM has taken part in developing the hydroelectric sector all over the world for over 20 years by supplying ductile iron pipes.
TUSA is a power company located on the northwest coast of Norway, and we produce electricity mainly from hydropower. And hydropower is one of the solutions when it comes to clean energy.
Norconsult has been in the hydropower business for at least 100 years altogether. And we are working worldwide with projects in all areas of the world. The potential for hydroelectric power plants worldwide are enormous. And even in Norway specifically, we have seen that we have built at least 500 new small power plants the last decades. And we are at least awaiting 700 or 800 in line for the Norwegian government to approve. So the potential is enormous.
The HYDROPAM solution meets the technical and environmental requirements set by hydroelectric plants in mountainous areas. Water is collected in a reservoir located upstream and rushes into a ductile iron pipeline. The flow is regulated by emergency valve system. The gravitational energy of the collected water goes into a turbine set up downstream. The latter is coupled up to a generator, which turns this energy into electricity. Since the whole pipeline is buried and the installations are small, the power plant really blends in with the landscape.
Hydropower plants last very long, and we have to have pipelines that last as long as our plants, and ductile iron is a very good choice when it comes to lifetime.
A hydroelectric power plant's capacity depends on flow and pressure. Its pipes must be strong, reliable, and long-lasting. The HYDROPAM pipes are made of ductile iron. They are highly resistant to pressure and to earth loads. Their mechanical performance remains stable through time and makes them less dependent on the soil's characteristics.
The ductile iron pipes are perfect to lay in trenches and by using the local material for backfill.
Ductile iron pipelines are very solid, and big excavators, they handle the tubes very roughly. And when it comes to laying the pipelines into the ditch, they can also handle small deviation, 2 or 3, 4 degrees among each length of a tube. That's very well suited for our terrain because it goes up and down and turns both in the horizontal and the vertical plane.
We have found it very nice to use anchor joints. That makes it possible to lay several hundred meters of pipes in steep inclinations with only one anchoring at the top.
Thanks to push-on joints, pipes can be assembled in trenches in a cheap and easy way using standard site equipment. These joints are flexible and adapt perfectly to ground movements. They can be anchored very easily in slopes without any welding. This saves a lot of civil works.
We have experiences from laying the pipelines during all the year in summer conditions, winter conditions, and we have no problems handling the pipelines in all the year round.
Saint-Gobain PAM offers its technical expertise on every step of a project, from the design to the laying of pipes and trenches or on slopes. Its after-sales service tracks the delivery of pipes on sites which are often hard to get to.
The security requirements in Norway are quite difficult because we have a Norwegian water authority, and they are following all the building and all the finished power plants and also the power plants under, that are planned. They are having quite big requirements for the security of the power plants. Ductile iron pipes are very good at fulfilling these governmental security demands.
In every country, hydroelectric plants have to meet specific design requirements and safety regulations. The HYDROPAM range developed in this purpose received particular attention in the Saint-Gobain PAM laboratories. The reliability of the pipes is ensured by a strict quality plan implemented during the manufacturing process. Also, a series of resistance tests are carried out on the finished product. The Saint-Gobain PAM engineers developed the HYDROPAM range in collaboration with designers and operators of hydroelectric plants. Thanks to HYDROPAM technology, building plants is made easier and safer. HYDROPAM is a comprehensive and economical solution which helps to build hundreds of plants in Europe and in the world every year.